6 Steps to Better Persuasive Writing. Hey everyone, are you ready to learn how to write a persuasive letter that will get results? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we'll be breaking down the steps to writing a persuasive letter that's both fun and effective, with examples. So whether you want to convince your parents to let you stay up late or advocate for a cause you believe in, let's get started. Step 1. Identify your goal and audience. The first step in writing a persuasive letter is to figure out what you want to achieve and who you're writing to. For example, if you want to convince your parents to let you stay up late, your goal would be to convince them and your audience would be your parents. Step 2. Research and gather information. Next, it's time to do some research. Gather information that supports your argument. For example, if you want to stay up late, you could find studies that show how staying up late can positively impact children's creativity. Make sure the information is credible and relevant. Step 3. Write an attention-grabbing introduction. The introduction of your letter is like the appetizer of a meal. It needs to be tasty and grab your reader's attention. For example, you could start your letter by saying, "Dear Mum and Dad, have you ever heard of the Twilight Thinker?" This sets the tone for the rest of the letter and makes it fun and interesting. Step 4. Present your arguments in a clear and organized manner. In the body of your letter, it's time to present your arguments. Make sure they're clear and easy to understand. For example, you could say, "Studies have shown that staying up late can positively impact children's creativity. Allowing me to stay up late will give me the opportunity to tap into my creativity and produce my best work as a Twilight thinker." Build upon this argument with additional supporting information. Step 5. Conclude with a strong call to action. In the conclusion, summarize your arguments and restate your goal. End with a strong call to action that inspires your reader to take the desired action. For example, you could say, "So, Mum and Dad, I hope you will consider allowing me to stay up late and tap into my creative potential as a Twilight thinker. I promise I'll make the most of this opportunity." Step 6. Edit and proofread. Before you send your letter, make sure to read it over a few times. Check for any spelling or grammar errors and make sure your arguments are clear and well supported. For example, you could ask a friend or teacher to read it over and give you feedback. And there you have it, the steps to writing a fun and effective persuasive letter, with examples. Remember, when you write with passion and conviction, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.